children's wrongs. Stick them up a chimney, put them in a war, use them and abuse them, that's what kids are for. Work them in a sweatshop, put them down a mine, stick them on the pavement, they'll do just fine. Children are possessions, children are our toys. You can't even trust them, and they make too much noise. They drink too much water, and they breathe all our air. They want education, and some clothes to wear. They don't need that playtime, they eat all our food. Children are too greedy, children are just rude. We don't need to listen, we don't need to care. Children don't need voices, who cares if it's fair? Children's rights, that's nonsense. We don't care for that. UNCRC, what you getting at?
Over 20 years ago, all the nations, all the countries of the world got together to say it was time to start treating human beings under the age of 18, that is children, fairly. They tried to work out a list of things that were not fair, the wrongs done to children around the world, and make some suggestions of how to make it right. They signed the list and called these suggestions a convention. The convention is called the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, the UNCRC, and one important part of it says you, as children or adults, should know it is there. Where? On paper in the United Nations, on the internet, and in lots of books. But more important, in the heads of people who make decisions and laws about how children should be treated, supported, and helped to grow.